Hey, Ryan back again, Combat Off-Road. We got another interior product for you. We call it the Straddle Storage. It basically sits in your center console and has you some extra pockets. On each side, we're gonna do a quick unboxing. This is actually for the 2011 to 2018 JK. So let me open that guy up real quick. All right, so what we have is this is going to slide right over your OE and blend right into your OE console. There's some double-sided tape here, so when you know you got it where you want it, you're basically going to rip those off, push it down in place, and stick it. And that's going to give you some panel storage here. We've got some extra rubber little mats inside. You know, if you get a little dirty, you can pull those out and clean it up. Yeah, so that's it. That's going to be Straddle Storage. That's going to be part number 99-1021, and that's 2011 to 2018 JK.